We have to estimate the product. How we do this? First, let me copy our example. We have 0, decimal point 1, 2, 3 times decimal point 00711. So first, in this example, we don't have specified place value to which we have to round. So we have to front round each number. So we have to round to first non-zero digit. So first non-zero digit in the first decimal number is 1 and in the second is 7. So we need to round to these numbers. So we have to check the digits after our underlying digits is 2. And if a number is less than 5, what we have to do? Nothing. We copy our underlying digits and everything what is before our underlying digits, and every digits after our underlying digits we have to change to zeros. And we have decimal point. And what we have here? After 7 we have 1. So this is less than 5. So we have to copy everything what we have before our underlying digits and our underlying digits, so 007, and whatever is after we have to change to zeros. So we need to multiply 0.1. We don't need the zeros after 1 because they don't change the value of our number, times decimal point. This is like 0 decimal point, we can write 007. We have to multiply these two decimal numbers. How we do this? We have to multiply this number like whole numbers. So we have only one digit different than 0 in the first number and in the second. So 1 times 7 is 7. And what else we have to do? We have to remember about decimal places when we have the multiplication of decimal numbers. In the first number we have 1 digit after decimal point, so this is 1 decimal place. And in the second we have 1, 2, 3 digits after decimal point, so we have 3 decimal places. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So we have to have 4 decimal places in our solution. So now we start, because 7 is the last digit, we start from the 7 and we count 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now every empty space we have to fill by zeros. So the solution is decimal point 0007. Or you can write decimal point 0007. So the estimated product is decimal point 0007. This is my solution.